In this video, we'll look at how to bind navigation components like the Accordion, ContextMenu, Menu, and TreeView to a data source. I'll show you how to build a simple Blazor application that uses a navigation component in bound mode and assign data fields to properties. I've already created a Blazor application using the DevExpress template. Open Pages, index.razor, and remove predefined content. For this video, I'll use our DxAccordion component. You can bind the component to a flat or hierarchical data structure. In both variants, you can customize generated items with templates. Let's start with a flat collection. Add the data source to the @code block. It contains a product flat class and a list of product flat class instances. Use the data property to bind the collection to the component. Add the data mappings tag. Create a DxAccordion data mapping instance, and map item properties to the data source fields. The text property value is obtained from the product data field. I also specify the key and parent key properties to create the hierarchy. When I run the application, you can see items generated from the data source. Let's move on to a hierarchical data source. I've already added it to my Razor page. The data source has product and product category classes and a list of product category instances. I perform the same steps I did for the flat structure. Then I map the text property with the category name data field and specify the children property to define component items. You can create several instances of the DxAccordion data mapping for different nesting levels. In my second instance, I specify the level property to create the root item's children. I run the application again. You can see the Accordion component bound to the hierarchical structure. The component has the same item hierarchy as the flat collection one. You can bind other DevExpress navigation components in the same way. This is the code for the ContextMenu component. I run the application, right-click the text, and you can see items of the context menu. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below. And make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified about all our new videos. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.